Hello, everybody. We're going on to lesson 5B. Don't forget to register for the online practice that's in the front of your book, or I can't check to see how you're getting on. So we're going to 5B. I can't tell you which page it's on. I can't read it down the bottom, but it's the one after 5A, okay? Right. So let's answer some questions. These are very good questions for you for your speaking exam to ask a partner. How many family members do you live with? If you live on your own, these next questions are not very good. Maybe you can talk about your neighbors. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the camera now. How many family members do you live with? Do you live with your wife, husband, parents, children, in-laws? Who knows? Are the people that you live with, are they very noisy, quite noisy, not very noisy? Do you have neighbors upstairs, downstairs, or next door? If you live in a flat, you can have all three. I have a next door neighbor and a downstairs neighbor, and they are very quiet. Okay. I don't have any upstairs neighbors. Are your neighbors very noisy, quite noisy, or not very noisy? If you're lucky, you have neighbors and they're not very noisy. We're going to listen to some sounds, but first we're going to read some about some typical problems for people with noisy neighbors or with a problem with noise. Okay, we've got when babies cry, when people practice the piano, when dogs bark, when people have noisy parties until early in the morning, people who play loud music, awful music. I think that means from not playing an instrument but listening to music. Couples who argue a lot. People with loud television. Oh, old people with loud television. I have had that twice in my life. It's really, really difficult. And builders, when they are building or working in the house next door and they make a lot of noise. Okay, so listen to the sounds. Now I can play them on here, or again you can listen to them from the website.
5.9 1.
Okay, but I'm going to play them from here, and then we're going to find the answers. I might, even if I'm very clever, maybe I can put up the answers at the same time as well. Here it comes.
5.9 1.
Just look at the kitchen.
That's not my fault.
What do you mean it's not your fault? Whenever you cook, you always leave the kitchen in a mess.
No, I don't.
2. Three. 4. 5. 6. 7.
So number 8 is going to be
8.
Oh, it sounds like he's playing it from his phone. Isn't that annoying when people play their phone music loud? Sounds terrible, doesn't it? There we go. That's all 8 of them, okay? And now what I want you to do is what's down the bottom here, okay?